how to front side shove it. Kind of how to. How not to front side shove it. The steps to learning your front side shove it, what you do is make sure the back of your front foot is to the left side of your board, about 4.5 inches from your top bolts, and your foot and your back foot kind of half off your board. Make sure your foot is lined up down through your bolts, about 1.5 centimeters off the tail. And what you do is you kind of ollie, and then you don't rotate your body. You just rotate your feet in like a kicking position. So you put your back foot forward and your front foot back, so kind of like the opposite. And how you would land it is you keep your front foot on your board as it rotates around, and when you land, you pick up your back foot, then you land on your tail like this. You got to land on your bolts like this. Kind of like that.